Okay, today we're going to review two of our strategy. We're going to review expanded form and pull down for 3-digit addition. Okay, so we'll start off with expanded form. Make sure you have a whiteboard marker eraser, and let's get ready to work on this. Write down the problem, and once you've done that, we're going to set up our chart, our hundreds, tens, and ones. And we use expanded form to help us set up our numbers. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the 342 and pull it apart. 342. We'll do the same thing for 236. 236. Make our line, put our plus sign. We're going to get busy adding now in columns. So we'll add our 2 and 6. That's 8. We'll add 40 and 30. That's 70. We'll add 300, 200, and that's 500. When we look at place value, this can only have ones, this can only have tens, and this can only have hundreds. So it's perfect. We have our answer, 578. No regrouping needed for this problem. Erase your board. Let's do a problem. Okay, 518 plus 231. T-chart, hundreds, tens, ones, actually hundreds, tens, one chart. We'll pull apart our numbers, 518, 500, 10, 8, 200, 30, 1. Remember, if you think I'm going too fast, pause the video. You have power over that. We make our plus sign, and now we're ready to solve the problem. We'll start in the ones place. 9. 10 and 30, 40. 500, 200, 700. Again, we take a look. This can only have ones, this can only have tens, and this can only have hundreds. No regrouping, so we have our answer, 749. Erase your board. Let's get ready for another problem. Go ahead and write this down. 634 plus 238. We're using expanded form still. Hundreds, tens, ones. Pull apart the problem. 600, 30, 4, 200, 30, 8. We are adding. Okay. That's 12, 60, 800. This can only have ones in it, this can only have tens in it, and this can only have hundreds in it. So this is in the wrong spot. That's called a red alert. That's a 10. So we're going to push the 10 over to the tens place. See, that's the tens place. We push it right over there. 60 is now 70. The 12 is now just 2. And now everything's good. The answer is 872. Let's do another one. Go ahead and write your problem. Hundreds, tens, ones chart. Get ready to pull apart the numbers. Expanded form, 487, 487. Again, if I'm going too fast, pause it. Pause the video. 182. And we are adding. Okay. 7 plus 2, 9. In class, I told you if you were having problems adding like 80 and 80 that you could just bring the 0 down and add the 8 and the 8, and that's 16, and you're done. So that's a little strategy to help you add quickly. It's really 160, and then we have 500. Okay. That's ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So this is 100 right here, and it's in the wrong area. We'll push it over. 500 is now 600. And 160 is now just 60. So the answer is 669. Okay, now let's try some pull down. This can be a little hard for kids because there's a lot going on. It's not double digit, it's 3 digits. So you just have to really be careful when you're pulling down the numbers that you're pulling them down in the right area. So this is the ones and this is the ones. So 3 plus 4 is 7. This is 60 and this is 20. 60 and 20 is 80. 400, 100. That's 500. Okay. Hundreds look good. Tens look good. Ones look good. The answer is 587. Let's do another one like that. We'll go ahead and write it down. 536 plus 243. Set up the bottom part, this part at the very bottom here. You really need to do that. Start with the ones. We have 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Next I have 30 and 40. 30 and 40 is 70. Finally I have 500 and 200. 500, 200, 700. It doesn't look like there's any regrouping. There's ones, there's tens, hundreds. 779. 779. Okay, let's take a look at the next. Okay, prepare your problem. Set it all up, and here we go. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 30 and 30 is 60. 700 and 100 are 800. I'll go back to the ones place and I can automatically see that this is a 10. I push the 10 over to the tens place. 60 is now 70 and everything else is good. So it's 877. Okay, last problem. Go ahead and set it up. 2 plus 3. That's the ones place. That's 5. And now we've got 70 and 90. 7 and 9. And just throw a 0 at the end. That would be 160. 160. And then we have 600 and 100. 700. Okay, that's fine. This part's fine, but this 100 needs to go over here. So 700 is now 800. This is gone. This is just 60, and this is 5. 865. All right, those are 2 strategies that we've been practicing. So whichever one you like better, use it. All right.